Welcome back to the news show. I'm your host, David, and joining me today is our cyber expert and full-time prankster, Harry Potter. How's it going?
Oh, just fine, David. I spent the morning trying to uninstall Windows updates while dodging drive-by downloads and debating if Python scripts count as modern art. You know, the usual.
Sounds like a thrilling start to the day. Let's dive right into our first story. It seems WhatsApp for Windows has a delightful new feature, sending Python and PHP attachments that execute without any warnings. Care to elaborate?
Oh, absolutely. Because what's more fun than opening a seemingly innocent attachment from Aunt Betty only to realise that you've unleashed a Python-powered cyber kraken on your system? Of course, for this magic trick to work, you need Python installed. So, unless you're a developer, researcher, or just someone who likes to live dangerously with random software, you're probably safe. For now.
Is it safe?
So basically, it's a feature targeting the cool kids club of the tech world. Now, let's talk about Gh0st and its new buddy, Gh0st Gambit. What's the scoop?
Oh, Gh0st Gambit is like Batman to Gh0st's Robin. Except they're both villains. Gh0st Gambit is a sneaky little dropper that's been delivering Gh0st through drive-by downloads.
You get the ice, I'll get the ice man.
Targeting Chinese-speaking Windows users, no less. Imagine downloading what you think is Chrome from a dodgy site.
So people are getting ghosted when they're trying to browse the web?
Exactly. It's like expecting a safe ride with Google Maps, but ending up in the haunted forest with Scooby-Doo and the gang.
Where are you?
Moving on to Microsoft's latest, Gh0st. July security updates. Apparently they've decided a remote desktop connection should be optional.
Oh, Microsoft's playing hardball now. They've essentially told everyone, hey, remember that legacy RPC over HTTP protocol? Well, we're breaking it because we can. So if your organization relies on this for a remote desktop gateway, prepare for fun and games of why can't I connect to my desktop?
And last but not least, let's discuss the malicious package on PyPI targeting macOS systems. What's the story there?
Ah yes, the irutils-lib package. It sounds so benign, like something you'd use to organize your digital sock drawer. Instead, it's a sneaky little devil designed to steal Google Cloud credentials.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you for your insights.
Oh, anytime, David. I love coming on your show. How's that wand working for you?
Well, you're right. It was a big learning curve, but I seem to be getting the hang of it. Check it out. Blah, 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 blah. Locks.
Not bad at all. Here, try this one.
Blah, blah, blah. Clean room, take Hermione to ice cream. Wait. This isn't a spell, this is your to-do list.
David, life is nothing but a series of perceptions. What you perceive as a to-do list, one might perceive as a spell list.
Are you sure you didn't give me the wrong note? Maybe you're tired from Quidditch practice. Maybe you just have an exam you need to study for. I heard midterms this year are no joke. In fact,
Ali, shush.
I remember...
It's like Professor Snape always told me. The ones who talk the most have the least to say.